Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back. EU looks good, EU looks good. EU looks good and doesn't really look that good. Same level as yesterday. That's what I don't like. Because we have a resistance here. Same thing as yesterday. See this resistance? It's right at it. It has gone above this previous one, and we have the next one here. Plenty of zones in between. Plenty of zones in between. EU good. What you guys thinking about EU? I think I'm gonna skip EU for now. Not sure about it. It's not as clear as we usually like to be, so I can't really make a decision there yet. Nice fun, nice. Morning. Let's see what we have. Maybe we'll have a setup this morning. GBPCAD looks like it's in a good position for some buys if we push above this retest, and we can continue to the next zone, hopefully. Let's wait. We have a few minutes until it kind of close. We'll see if we're gonna get any good setups. NZD US dollar. Let's see. NZD US dollar, I don't really see much here. I mean, it looks pretty bearish since this previous 4-hour candle closed below this, but it's not that good. Herman, yeah, it looks perfect. Aussie dollar looks perfect if it breaks below. Hope that it does that. But right now it's rejecting. Oh, this is GU. What happened with GU? Looks like did it break a retest first or not? Yeah, looks like a good fake out can be coming here. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We need to close above, pretty good close. Let's see. Aussie dollar is also pretty good. If we manage to close below the support, that would be nice. That would be nice if we manage to close below this. In 20 minutes, a lot can happen, so we're gonna wait. Travis Jones, good morning. Welcome. Morning. USDCAD, let's see USDCAD. USDCAD is rejecting this 4-hour level probably. That's why it is pushing down. And let me see the daily, because it must probably, yeah, it's also a daily level. This is the reason why we got rejected on USDCAD. It's a daily level. So we'll see. But this was good. Yeah, I can see this level here. This was lovely. Breakout retest straight to the next level, which was the daily level. Now we are rejecting. If we break above, means we're breaking a daily level also. Might be good, who knows. Your JPY pushing up again. Who would have thought? Not me. We'll see. I don't see a clear setup right now there, so we'll see what happens. GJ. Yeah, GJ doesn't really have that much. I see that it did a nice break-in retest, but other than that, still needs to come all the way up here, 139.200. That's the next level for GJ, and if it breaks, it can be good. But if you guys thinking about buys on this level, we will see.
Good morning, Seth.
Beitu, morning.
How are you?
Good, thank you. I think GU and GCAD are better if we want to take buys. Where's GCAD? But GCAD is a little bit too far right now. We'll see in 15 minutes if we're gonna have a push to the upside or not. There's still time, and there's still time for GBP to reject. Can still continue down, don't forget. But what's the one way to enter? It's gonna be risky. I wouldn't take sells. The thing is here on GU that it already did the move. It already did the move. Even though it was a weak breakout, it still did respect it and moved around 20 pips. Now, this current candle came all the way up again. But if it closes below, we can still continue to the downside. I think it's just a second retest. And 4 hour is just a rejection, which means we have to wait. We have to wait and see what happens. I'm hoping for a push to the upside because that would be pretty good, especially here on GCAD. I like GCAD. News, good that you mentioned. Let's see if we have any news. Yeah, CAD JPY and GJ to the downside. Looks like they had some nice setups. This was perfect, man. This was perfect, but happened in a time where we don't trade Asian session. Asian session. Okay, so what do we have right now? Look, Euro US dollar is still in between. There's too many zones. I'm gonna skip Euro US dollar. I don't like it. There are too many zones in between. Euro JPY is basically in consolidation still. If we can draw the support, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad, but I don't really trust this much. Yeah, I mean, 4 hour has created support here. We'll see. There's chances here. There's chances of coming for a retest. There are chances of coming for a retest and then continuation to the upside. So we'll see how this current 1 hour candle closes. Once it closes, we'll make a decision if we want to take it or not. Euro, Aussie dollar, nothing much. Still in this consolidation. USD JPY still in consolidation. USDCAD, like I said, USDCAD, it's at daily resistance. We're gonna have to pass above this. We're gonna have to push above this daily resistance. Maybe have a good breakout. We need a good breakout above. Then we'll see. But right now it's a little bit too far. It's a little bit too far. Aussie dollar. I think Aussie dollar is very good, clean setup here. All we need is a good break below. It's been a long time now consolidating. Once we're gonna have a good close, even above or below, I think it's gonna be a very nice chance for us. Let's see. GU now is pushing up. I like this. It's pushing higher. We'll see. We'll see what happens. GCAD also pushing above. Yeah, let's wait. 10 minutes left, and I think we're gonna have a trade here. 10 minutes left, we're gonna have a trade.
That on GU, I think it rejects on the level 1.32. It's also psychological level, and there is also where the resistance is at, or GU.
Oh, GU.
Yeah. It just clicked into 1.32.
Oh, 32.
Yeah. That's why I don't really like it.
Psychological levels, what does that matter when you have support here?
Yeah, that was also what I was thinking, but
why would you be scared from a psychological level? I think this is our support.
Yeah, I just wanted a better, like I just would want a better close, like a strong.
Yeah, same. We'll see how good it's gonna close. this is only 4 pips. We're gonna need like a full 10 pips break so we can be sure if we want to take this this trade. So yeah, we'll see. Still some minutes left. Last minutes can have a nice push to the upside maybe. If GU does give us a good break, GCAD still not pushing above, we're gonna go to EJ, because EJ has a pretty good breakout here, and we'll see then, because we need a retest here, then we can have some continuation to the next zone, hopefully. So we'll see. 8 minutes left.
The good thing about EJ for me is also it flipped bullish on the daily.
EJ.
When we have a good close, the basis is very nice.
Yeah, here's GJ. Yeah, we can have some continuation. Why not? On GJ, this is a pretty strong support on the daily, so it makes sense to continue up. It's pretty bullish still. On the 1 hour, we have a small support here, and we can say that this is a breakout, a retest to continue up would be good. Yeah, why not? Looks good. Next zone is 40 pips range. From current price is another 20 pips. So it makes when it makes the retest, 20 pips is going to be just to turn bullish. After that, another 20. Yeah, we're having some good setups are coming. Good setups are coming. Just wait. GU, GJ, EJ, all these are about to break. Albo, thank you. I'm good. How are you? Let's see. Still waiting. We have another 4 minutes. 4 minutes left, and we'll make a decision. GJ, EJ doing the same thing. GCAD hasn't gone yet above, so there's still time. Yeah, let's wait. Maybe I'll take GJ, because it will give us some quick pips. No need to wait for too long. Hi from Rimini, Italy. Wow, Italy. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, let's see. GBP is still bullish, unless some Brexit talks come in or some Brexit headlines. Other than that, we're still bullish. Daily hit a strong daily support. 1 hour is closing above this. Next zone is another 20 pips, so makes a lot of sense to have some continuation, hopefully. Can Trump actually stage a coup and stay in office for a second term? I don't know. I don't know. Who knows what's gonna happen? I mean, looks like it's not done yet. I don't understand politics. How many Italians are there at the moment? How many? We don't know. Let's see, 2 minutes left. GJ, it's gonna be a clear breakout. No wonders at all. But GU, it's not gonna be a breakout. GU, it's not closing good. GU is not closing good.
What do you think about EU?
EU, Carlos, I said about EU that we have too many zones in between.
Okay.
I'm skipping EU. Look
Okay,
at
thanks.
4 hour. 4 hour right now is at this resistance here.
Resistance, yeah.
We have another one here below, and we have the next one here. So this is all zone after zone, and they're all in a close range. I don't like it for now.
Yeah, we have to wait for it to get out of this area.
Okay, we have a good close. Yeah, I'm thinking about GJ buys here. Thinking about GJ buys, but we need a retest around 138.800. 138.800. Let's see if it's gonna come. Let's see. Okay, so GJ needs to come down at 800, 800, 820. That would be my entry area if it comes. EJ is also good, but I don't know if EJ is gonna come. Looks like it's pushing straight to the upside. So we have to wait. We have to wait for a retest. Let's take a look at other pairs. Nothing much. Yeah, GU looks like closed below, so I'm not gonna touch it yet. But GJ did close above. GJ is clear. We have free traffic in this range. There's no traffic on the left. We can easily continue to the next zone. But we need a retest before. If it does the move before doing the retest, that's not a good thing for us. Because we need the retest first, then the move. Is EJ not coming from another zone? Maybe it is. Let's see. Thing is, EJ is a mess in between here. This is all the consolidation box. And these two are the major zones, right? And sometimes, like I've said a lot of times, consolidation box is going to have a middle zone, right? And on EJ in this case, it looks like there's a middle zone here, but it didn't really respect a lot this zone. So I'm not going to count that as something that it might cause problems, because these two are the major zones, and a good clean break back in the range, a retest, and some continuation. That's what I expect here from EJ. But we'll see what happens. We don't know if it's gonna come or not. Stop loss for GJ, if it comes, it's gonna be around below the breakout candle, around 15 pips. I think so, if it comes. If not, then we move on. We search for another trade. Let's see. We have to wait now. Let's wait for that retest. It is rejecting from the wicks. I think it should come deeper. It should come deeper, because look at this. For example, this was kind of a fake out when price was at this level. See where it got rejected. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Then it closed above but couldn't continue. Closed back in the range. This is a fake out that happened before in GJ. Did a retest, went all the way down. Then came back again. See how it got rejected? Same zone. This was just a fake out. That's why I'm waiting for the retest on this zone at 800. But we're gonna enter in a 2-3 pips range in case it doesn't make that deep retest. Just in case. GBPCHF did the retest already. Well, it's been years I don't trade GBPCHF. It is very known for fake cuts. Do you set your support and resistance lines before, or do you just find it on the live? Well, I'm the only one who's gonna put them. They are fresh. The lines are fresh support resistance. I've tested GBPCHF before and it's a nightmare. Like, I had so many wins and all the losses were from GBPCHF, so we decided to delete that pair from our list because it was just causing losses. So if a pair doesn't really respect zones, why you should keep trading it? No reason. There are plenty of other pairs. Let's see. GJ is coming little by little. We need to come more. Joseph, it's easy to choose which pair I want to trade because not every pair here on my right is going to give me a setup. One of them is going to give me a setup and I see which one I like more. It's easy. It is easy. Let's see, GJ's coming slowly. Slowly coming. We need to come lower. We need to come lower.
Yeah, around 80, I think it will be perfect.
Yeah, 80 would be perfect, but even at 82, 83, I'm still gonna enter.
Yeah, maybe first entry, then the rest.
Yeah, then the rest if it comes lower. Stop loss below this candle. Let's see. Waiting.
Bay 2.
Yes, bro.
Congrats, man.
Thank you, brother.
I thought you weren't gonna be trading today.
I have to do the verification.
Oh, I see.
It is
It's the same, no? But more time.
more time and less percentage.
Okay.
I think they just want to see if it's with luck or not. Like if
Yeah.
it
I get it.
Okay, GJ, okay. Slowly coming. We have another 5 pips we need to push.
It's coming. Two pips more. One. Started to enter.
Okay. GJ is here. I'm taking a buy here.
Yeah,
Took a buy on GJ.
Yes, I entered my full position.
Let's see. 800 is perfect now.
Yeah,
9 came at perfect price. Gonna use a stop loss just below this candle here. How many pips is this? This is around 15 pips, I think. 15 pips. Here it is a C trader account also. Took the trade there also. Let's see how much we can make on this. All we need now is some continuation. Okay, good. Let's wait and see. Well, here there's only two options. We're either gonna win or lose. So, what are the chances of losing and what are the chances of winning? Which are higher, which are lower. So we'll see. It's gonna push through this level all the way down, then okay, we'll take a loss. But we have a reason to believe we're gonna have some continuation. Or not. Or not, let's see. It's pushing down. Maybe just a deeper retest. Stop loss is just below the wick. Put your stop where, count your spread also, because it might come deeper and stop you out. So we don't want that happen. Let's see. Look, everything can happen. Everything can happen, but we are seeing buys here. If you see sells, it's all good, no worries. Take sells. Our confirmation is 4 hour is at support, daily is at a very strong support, 1 hour closed below but couldn't continue, it went all the way up, closed above, and now we are counting this as a retest. That's it. And I think it came a little lower because where I said this zone is. The zone was a little lower because this was a fake out at this time where price created a support or resistance. So we'll see. Still a bullish bias here. My stop loss will be hit. Okay. If it hits, it hits. But it's not going to do anything bad to me. We've had too many wins lately, so I mean, there need to be some consolidation sometimes, because it's only going bullish. If it hits, it hits. But you know, there's no reason to take sells here, but there is a reason to take buys. That's the thing here. That is the thing here. No, there's no daily resistance. There's daily support. We are rejecting daily support. We are rejecting 4-hour support. 1 hour closed above, expecting some continuation. If you are not sure about it, don't take it. This is you're not obligated. You can just watch. Too weak a zone. Okay. No worries. Might be not a very strong zone, but I think if you go to the daily, you can see how strong the zone is. You'll see how strong it is. It's a pretty big range to the upside. I mean, even if we don't move on the current candle, the next one should. Unless we get stopped at this candle.
Said I think
there are a lot of possibilities. Yeah.
the first TP is around 139.
Yeah, that's gonna be 20 pips at 139. We'll see. We can manage. Managing wins is easy. Above take profits. Whenever you are happy, you can take your profits.
Yeah, I think this will. Let's see.
There's plenty of time. No need to worry. Look, I'm never gonna be worried about the trade. I'm never, because trading is not just about a trade. One win is not gonna make you rich, and one loss is not gonna make you poor or broke. As long as you use a good risk, this is just another trade, nothing else. This is just another trade. That's how you should treat it.
I think unless you over risk, there is no problem at all.
Yeah, just another trade. As long as you use good risk, it's another trade and another trade and another trade. All we gotta do is win more than we lose, and that's what we're doing here.
Good morning, CL.
Morning, Gash. How are you?
I'm good, bro.
Great to hear that.
Hey, wait, are you trading today?
Yes.
So on a demo account or what?
No, on the verification.
Oh, they sent you that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Beta, don't forget to use small risk. Don't rush it because you have twice the time now.
Yeah, I just risked 1%. I think it's less than 1% because I opened my first position at 830 and the other one at around 800. But I opened same lot size, and the first one was based on 0.5%. So the other one should be less because it's the same lot size.
Okay, then good. Just don't overtrade because you have plenty of time.
Yeah, I will.
Over risk, not overtrade.
I will not over risk. I stay safe. Like I have enough time. I don't have to reach high revenue, so it's fine.
Great. Let's just wait. On the street trader, we are 4.14%. So a loss would just bring us to 3%. So see, it's not gonna make much difference. But if we win, we go to 5%. Let's go GJ, do something. GJ has one bad thing that can make that move then still continue up. That deeper move to the downside. But one thing it shouldn't do is go below the previous candle, because that would be the worst thing here on GJ. Let's see, we need to stay above this, because once we pass that, not a good sign. GJ, let's go. We need to reject now. Okay, do we have any news coming up? No, right? There's no news. On the fundamental side, we're clear. Let's see. 25 minutes have passed. We need a rejection. There's still time, okay? Until stop loss is hit, there is still time. Till stop loss is hit, there's still time. Medium news in 4 minutes. Where's that? I don't see it. Oh, investing. What's the thing here with these websites? Because they never show the same news. Always gotta be something. It's always gotta be something. Business investment. Yeah, we'll see what happens. What do you think about Ishimoku system? To be honest, no idea what that is.
Ichimoku is just moving averages. That's it together.
Yeah, I have no idea about that. No idea about that. I stick to break and retest. Yeah, I thought my FX book is better. I used FOREX Factory before, and it was not showing what everything. But it looks like my FX book's not showing everything either.
The good one is Daily FX or financialjuice.com.
Investing is also good. Investing.com.
Take a look at this one. See ya.
Yeah, Daily FX is good too. Oh, the font is too big. I don't like this. The font is too big. Like I can't really see anything.
Yeah.
No, it's too big.
Should,
Maybe you can change it somewhere if it has the option.
This one also is really good.
Financial Juice. What a name, Financial Juice. And I like my FX book. I think when there's going to be a high impact news, it's going to be everywhere.
Yeah.
Like they can't miss a very high impact news. FOREX Factory is not that good. It's not that good because sometimes it doesn't show some high impact news. I mean, there's different things on different websites, but most of the time, all the high impact news is going to be everywhere. See what's going to happen with GJ. I think if we manage to stay above this level, 138.800, we still got a chance to move. But I don't like that it came all the way down here. It came too low.
Yeah, too deep.
Yeah, it came too deep. Even though this is where we have the right level. See where all the candles are closed? Like I said, this was the fake out. And I think this is the reason why we came so deep after this good close. I think what can happen, unless we hit stop loss, is that this candle can reject and close around here somewhere. Then the next one pushes at least this level. After that, it can reject or do whatever it wants. But we need to stay above this around. Even though the right support is just around this level. See this candle where it got rejected before? So, yeah, this might be a deeper pullback. But we'll see. Everything can happen. It's never 100%. Forex is like Seven said. If you treat it as a casino, it can be a casino. If you treat it as a business, it can be a very good business. Treat it as a business or as a job, but not as a casino, because it's not a casino. We trade. We have rules here. There are rules how the market works. So it's not a casino. We have to set how much we want to lose, how much we want to win. Everything is in our control here. We control how much we want to lose. We control how much we want to win. Let's see. There's still time to push up. And there's a lot of time to push down also. But we need to go to the upside. I'm still positive about GJ. I'm still positive. Just the fact that we're still at this support, we should still reject. It's taking some time, but even if it doesn't move at this candle, the next one should move. Unless it hits our stop loss. But I can't accept price going below this level. I don't care if it just pushes lower and then pushes up, but that's my plan. It's not a good sign for me if it goes below that. So we need to stay like this. We need to stay above. We need to close around here above our entry. That would be a good sign for us.
We need to close above 80.
Yeah, 138.800. That would be a good close. Next candle start to push more, and we would be done. If it's just the pullback was so deep because all we need was this candle to turn bullish. That would be a quick 20 pips. Then you have a 40 pip range to the upside. 7. EU is in between too many zones. Skip EU. There are too many zones in between. And better stay out of it.
And I went to break fast, came back, and prices rejected nice.
Yeah, me too. It's still at the same place. Hasn't gone too far. There is still time. There is still time. What's better for profits, crypto, forex? We don't have information about crypto, so we trade forex. Forex is good. Forex is great. Forex is amazing if you know how to trade.
Forget it. Come on, Ziad.
Who's closing? You, Carlos?
No, I'm moving my take profit.
Oh, okay.
I'm not closing anything.
Okay.
Beto, you're in, right?
Yeah, I mean, are you out?
No, I'm in.
No, I'm in as well.
I was crying 5 minutes ago, but I'm in.
No, doesn't matter. Just always same percentage.
I'm kidding. Yeah, man. So waiting.
Is this break and retest? Well, what does it say? Break and retest, right? It is. Yeah, let's just wait because it's not done yet. There's still plenty of minutes until the next candle. Until we see this going all the way bullish, we're not done. It's just a small rejection still. I mean, if you look where it came from, it's a pretty big rejection. But now we're gonna need another 20 pip rejection or 20 pip push. In other words, still time. But if we stay like this, it's a good sign. Next candle can push all the way up. Nothing is done yet. EJ left us. Yeah, looks like EJ was better. But no, EJ didn't come enough where we wanted. EJ didn't come where we wanted, so we wouldn't be able to take it anyway. GJ, you have to go to the next, to the different direction. One minute trading like a double bottom. No, and don't look lower time frames at all, just higher time frames. Only higher time frames.
Bro, I'm looking at ticks every second.
Let's see. Come on, GJ. Show us how good you are. Show us your volatility.
What? Wow. A lot of comments on YouTube.
Yeah, people are talking, having different conversations.
Yes.
Good, it's good. People exchanging ideas. It is a good thing.
I just saw someone ask where I'm from and what I'm doing, like if I'm in a challenge. From Germany, Turkish roots, and I'm in the verification phase of FTMO. Thanks to SIAT, we are killing it.
Little by little. Sir, where do you live? You have the answer. Kosovo. The most successful pairs, what can I say? GJ is good, USDCAD is good, EJ is good. What else? GBPUSD. They're also good pairs. I like GJ the most. Let's see if it's gonna reward us today or not. It's a matter of time now.
Hey, wait, are you typing on YouTube via Zoom? Or there's something else?
No, it's paid to, it's paid.
No, I can see his comments on the YouTube chat, but like, can we type also via Zoom meeting, or we have to go on YouTube to do that?
No, if you want to comment on YouTube, you need to go to YouTube. If you want to type in Zoom, you can type in Zoom. But not from Zoom to YouTube, if you mean that.
Okay. No, I can see that blue Betu icon coming there. Like he's an admin on YouTube. That's why I asked.
Yeah, I made him moderator. That's why his name is blue when he texts there.
Yeah, that's why I thought that is he doing that from Zoom or what?
I don't know, from YouTube. I just made it moderator.
Nice.
Okay, go comment there and make you moderator too.
Wait.
The daily routine, going to YouTube, let a like, send some love to the community.
Oh, it's taking too long. GJ doesn't really take this much. Usually expect a quick move, but it's taking time. How it's gonna end up, have to see. Would you close the trade if price closes below 800? We'll see. We'll see. It depends how it closes. Thing is, support is a little lower at 720. That's the thing. But maybe I'll consider closing if it closes below 800, because it wouldn't be a good sign at all. So yeah, it's there's still time. We have another 15 minutes. Maybe we'll have some movement in the last 15 minutes, maybe not. Either up or down. It's gotta be one direction. We need a move, either up or down. To the upside, of course. To the upside is our target. We have a good range to fill to the upside. It doesn't really make sense to me to go to the downside, but everything can happen. Right now, bullish bias still. We need to wait and see. Even if we get a close like this, next candle can shoot up and at least give us 20 pips. After that, we'll see.
It's gonna close above on the 1 hour.
Yeah, we'll see. There's still time. 10 minutes in GBP, it's too big. A lot can happen in 10 minutes. A lot can happen in 10 minutes. Four-hour on GJ looks bearish. I don't know. 4 hour on GJ is that support. daily is at support. So I don't know. We have plenty of reasons to believe we're going to continue. Trend is bullish. What else? 1 hour is a break and retest. Having a good rejection. All is left is to see if we're gonna give us 20 pips or not. We need a good push.
Yes, come on.
Come on, GJ, let's go bullish. We are very close. What, Carlos?
You have to throw in 100 lots to make it go up.
No, I didn't. 100 lots, too much. Oh, we'll see. I mean, unless we turn bullish,
Yeah.
I'm not sure yet. I mean, I'll consider taking some at 10 pips, maybe. We'll see. There's still time, but definitely a good sign. Thing is, if it closes like this, we might have that second pullback,
Yeah.
that next candle coming down again to entry, then pushing up again. I just don't like that. I want to straight push the upside.
That would be great.
Oh, if we close bullish, it's game over after. Because if we close bullish, it's 20 pips already, 18 or 20, somewhere there. Would be a 1% easy there. Yeah, I think at 15 pips. Let me see. At 14 pips, I'll have 1% at 15 pips. But why not more? We'll see. If this goes bullish, that would be perfect.
Yeah, the thing is that this close is probably also the 4 hour close, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, to the forward.
So I would like to be out before it. I hope it turns bullish.
It's back again. It is back. I mean, I'm not gonna complain because the close is gonna be good if we close like this. There's still some minutes left, but we're still gonna have a chance if it closes like this. Next candle can still push up. It can still be good. I just wouldn't like a close at 138, just below 800. It wouldn't be good. That wouldn't be good. A close above our entry, that would be good. Even if this decides to go down, we should have at least another touch of this zone. 139. Just one more touch, then maybe it can continue up. But I think if we come around here, next zone should be easy then for GJ. I mean, 4-hour rejecting, daily rejecting. We'll see. There's still time. We'll see. We are 7,000 subscribers on YouTube. Very nice. Amazing growth lately, or since we have started.
Growing like Bitcoin.
Amazing. Come on, GJ, it's taking too much time. Andres, you are not loyal. You are not loyal at all. You are not a loyal viewer. Let's go, GG, let's go. Give us something. I just don't want to see the next candle coming down again, because it would push all the way down after that.
Who is playing around with magic keys?
That's 74 sound, but I don't know who is it. Closing, opening.
Sad setting positions.
Yeah, taking profits.
No, not yet. I mean, at least we need 10 pips. Not gonna freak out at the last minute and close at break even, because I still believe on GJ. And GJ starts to push. Yeah, I mean, GJ usually is very volatile. It doesn't really take this much time, but yeah, sometimes market is slow.
Mr. Prem Prakash, it's 1 hour. You can see it on the top and in the middle of the chart.
I don't know. I don't understand these questions. Is it 1 minute? Is it 5 minutes? I mean,
Come on, you have it on two sides, on the top and on the middle of the chart. GJ 1H.
yeah, I mean, this is a basic question. It's all on
If you can
on the
see,
screen
see
here.
that, yeah, don't trade, man.
Yeah, don't trade if you can't see that, because you would just
you're gonna lose more money at the end of the day.
yeah, you're just gonna lose money if you don't know what you're doing. It's too risky. Ash, did you comment on YouTube? Are you here? No, he's not.
The same Ash? No, it's another one, I think so.
He is gone now in YouTube. He's left us.
Who?
Ash.
Has gone to the other side. From Zoom to YouTube.
Yes. GJ. What are you doing, GJ?
That's the system, man. 1 hour and 4 hour on daily. Higher time frames. So, Siad, if we close above, what are you gonna do? Like move to break even, or just let it ride, or stop you out, or in case it goes down, of course.
I don't know. I'm still thinking. I mean, if we close like this, clearly we have to move more to the upside.
Yeah, but I've seen many times it closes like this and it just fills a wick.
Yeah, that's what I'm afraid too. But
I think if
yeah.
it goes to 89, I'm gonna close some and move to break even. And if
Yeah,
it
we'll
goes down,
see. If it goes at 900,
yeah, it's 89 right
we
now.
can secure some.
Yeah, we're gonna
89, 900, 138, 900.
closing something here.
Nice. Okay, we
2
have
lots.
10 pips.
Move everything to break even. Beitu, you there?
Yes, bro.
Okay, we have 10, 11 pips. 11, 12. See on the last minute how it start to push.
Yeah, I like this.
Okay, we have 12 pips. 12 pips. 13,
Moving to break
14, 14 pips. Let's go bullish.
Come on, Beitu.
Come on, GJ. Let's go bullish. 16 pips. Perfect. 16
15.
pips. And I'm closing on the C trader. 16 pips. 1.1%. I'm closing some and I'm leaving some run. Perfecto.
Very nice, bro.
Very nice.
Great trade, Beitu.
16
I
pips.
called Boris.
You called him, right?
Yeah, I closed my early entry position fully, and the other one I closed right on the top where it made the high. But I closed it fully because I think it would stop me out if I would put it on to break even. I'm okay with
I left something at break even.
Yeah, leave something at break even and
This can fly.
yeah.
now we can
probably, yeah, this will probably move at least to 139.30 ish, like filling the wick.
Stop loss at break. Look, if it goes above this, we're filling the wick here.
Yes, exactly. That's what I'm thinking.
And we have a good range.
I'm okay with that. First day, 0.8%. That's fine. Thank you very much, Seth. Thank you for calling it. Thank you for keeping us calm when it was almost at the bottom.
I thought we were gonna take a loss, man. When he waited 64, 64, right? No, I went to 67. I was like, this is a loss.
You guys don't trust me? Don't worry, man. When I call a trade,
come on, we hold it the trade. That means we trust you. Otherwise,
bro, I trust you, man. I just walk away. I did my breakfast, so that's how I was trusting this setup. I just walked away, set my partials and my stop loss, and that was all.
Siad, can you check out GCAD?
What about GCAD?
I sent a chart with.
Are you thinking about sells here? Yeah, guys, on GJ, close some, leave some around, okay? Because it's we already have 1-to-1 risk reward now. We have 16 pips already, so I closed even more than 1%. We are 5.16% in profit. This is consistency.
The name of the game.
Suddenly, everyone who was saying sells disappears.
Now they are saying, "Oh, we were joking."
I mean,
Oh, nice.
are they not tired? Why do they want to go against me? I mean,
Come on, Siad.
why?
Bro, just show the C trader the copy account. Just show it. For me, it says even though with like
The C
minus
trader
the fees.
account, it's already done. Let me see if I can show the.
Look, minus the fees. As someone who invested like in a C trader, you would have 4%. I think you are like 5%.
I think I'm charging not enough on C trader, but I don't know if this is the commission is updated every month or how
It's
it
every
is.
month. Every month.
Every month, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Looks like it because I
But
don't have any profits from that yet.
said
Look,
why is yours 5%?
why is mine 5%?
Yeah,
Because
because
on the beginning there was a slippage, I think.
oh, I see. That's why. Yeah, because I'm 4% right now.
Yeah, there was some slippage that some people had -1%. Then I made that back, and now we are. Take a look, guys. Here we have 5.16%. You should be 4% if that happened to you, the slippage in the beginning. But after that, looks like the only fault was that gold, so we removed gold, and it's going perfect.
Yeah.
We've done 1% at least for the last 5 trades, and see consistency now.
Yeah.
Can you imagine us losing 5 trades in a row? I mean, it's not
No.
possible. I mean, we can
The
lose a trade here and there, but that's going to be after every 5%.
yeah.
You
What
know,
also
go ahead, Beidou.
yeah. Just quick. What I also think is said on this fee, it calculates it on the end of the month, but it depends also on how many people. Like it depends on all people coming and going. Like he will always, or this thing will always calculate on everyone who invested. Like you can't just go off in the end of the month and say I don't pay fees or something.
I don't know. I'm just waiting for the end of the month to see is if this is worth it or not. I'm just waiting to see.
So yeah, I think the key to your system is knowing when not to take a trade.
Yeah, that's key
That's
also
more
too.
important than finding the level.
Yeah,
Like when you say it's not clear, I see 20 levels, this, that, that's key.
yeah. I mean, sometimes I feel like I'm boring you guys saying, don't take this, don't take that. This is not good. This is not good. Has too many zones. I feel like you guys want to trade, and I'm just stopping you. But it's key to know where to not take a trade. See, we spent many days before, some days before, some days earlier, like last week, last 2 weeks, without taking any trades, and everyone got very bored because we're not having anything. But see, good movements come sooner or later. It can't just be a period of time where it's not going to be much volume, not many movements. At the end, see, we're having like 5, 6 winning trades in a row. So just anytime that happens, just remember this time how we spent like 2 weeks barely with any trades, then another 2 weeks come with so many opportunities, so many winning trades. It's just about to know when to stay away, when to take a trade, when to just take a small break. Don't trade anything until some good setups come, until you're very comfortable trading. We had so many fundamentals, we had the virus, we had so many things that it just we didn't feel comfortable taking any trade. there was no clear direction, there was no clear setups. Now all of a sudden we have 5 or 6 trades, winning trades in a row. So it was just a period of time, and that can be a learning thing for you. So next time, you know what happens. We're gonna have times when it's not gonna be many trades. You're gonna have times where you're gonna have a lot of trades. You're just gonna have to pick and choose. 1% is from the deposit that I made. It doesn't count the money that I get from commissions. That doesn't count.
Hey, CL,
Yes, Ash.
I'm in GCAD cells, like it's currently 11, 12 pips. So, how it's looking to you?
Look, to be honest, the GCAD, the breakout
Yeah,
is around 7. What level you took? I don't understand.
406. I entered late, like when it was doing a deep retest.
So this level, right?
No. The level was 7235, but I took entry on 406.
The level is as you have it, but he took it deep into the level.
Yeah, so you're more than 10 pips right now.
Yes.
Probably, yeah. I don't know what can I say. I mean, we have a pretty strong support here.
Yeah.
Would be good if you secure some. And look left. We have a very strong support here. I would say secure some since it already went your way. You made some good pips.
Yeah, I'm on
Yeah.
break even.
Yeah. Also
Let's
secure
see.
some. Don't leave everything at break even because you got some good pips. And GCAD, maybe even if it's going to continue down, it can come a lot of times at the same level, then at the end of the hour can go all the way down. So secure some at least, then leave some run. My runner on GJ is still on. We'll see if it's gonna come lower or not. But see, it went perfectly as I expected. I knew that we're at least gonna go above this previous candle, either with the next candle or. But it's happening the same as I expected. That's what makes me happy, and the win also makes me happy. Why not?
I have a question to a setup on EuroCAD.
Yeah, go ahead.
So EuroCAD broke the zone 1.54125, 1.5425.
425.
Yeah, 125.
125.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah,
That
this
level.
one. Yeah, this.
Yeah, and it never did a retest. And on the 4 hour, it's a clean break. Would you say that we can take this trade if it comes, or do you think that we already touched the next zone? Because it looks like there was some like 4 or 5 pips to the next zone, and I really like that it didn't do a retest on the 1 hour. So the 4 hour retest would be the first retest.
Look, the only problem is that it has moved a lot to the upside before the retest. See, from this level, we have 45 pips move. And in this 45 pips move, we're going to have a zone at least somewhere, you know? And at this case, your cat, it looks pretty good on this level. But see, we have another level here, plenty of rejections. We have this level here, and we have also plenty of rejections at this level. There's too many zones in between. That goes against our rules for taking it. But either way, I think when it comes, I don't see this going all the way down because it wouldn't make sense. And since it's a 45 pip, almost 50 pip range, whenever it comes, I think you're gonna have some kind of rejection, even if it doesn't come all the way up. At least it's gonna give you something.
Yeah,
It's gonna
so
give
if
you it's going to give you like 10, 15 pips, maybe even 20 pips.
So on another trade, on another pair, like let's say a USDCAD or Euro USD, something that we always trade, you would take this trade, or would you have dub?
If there was no zones on the left, I would take this trade.
Okay, I see.
If there was no traffic, no zones in the left, I would take this trade. But you know, it's very messy right now. There's too many zones. I can't really decide. See, it also did close above this a little bit, but it was like a small close above. It's just you can't really decide which level you want to wait for. If it goes below this, means it broke this, might continue all the way down, or it's getting rejected from this zone. If we go on the daily, a daily is a mess, and see where it touched the daily. This is the daily resistance. So for me, it's just too risky. If it's gonna take me so long to decide if I want to take a trade or not, I'm not gonna take it because a good break and retest doesn't take this long. The good break and retest you see it right away. There's no need to wait to analyze it for 10 minutes. It's going to be a straight break and retest without any traffic on the left, clear breakout. See, like this GU. Now we're having a lot of rejection. This just makes this better. If it closes above, we have a clean break and retest. We don't even have to analyze it for even a minute. It's a clean break and retest after it closes above. You have a clean traffic on the left. This can be easy trade, but EuroCAD is too much. It's too messy right now. I would just skip it.
Yeah, I see. Thank you very much for that.
No worries, no worries. We'll see. Maybe we'll get another good trade on GU. Who knows? Who knows? We might have another good trade. Okay. So if you guys want to check CTrader copy trade, here's the link in the YouTube chat. Check it out. 2 billions. Wow. Congrats. Congrats on your 2 billion win today. Looks like a break and retest on the 4 hour. I think you're right. It does look like it. But it's not a clean break and retest. Because you see where did you put your line here? You put your line where it suits you to think that is a break and retest on the 4 hour. But you need to put your line where candles are closed. And then it's not a break and retest. It just closed above. It didn't break.
And now you're between two zones, right?
Didn't hear you, Carlos.
Now you're in between two zones, right?
Well, if you think at it, it's not that you're between two zones because this is just a 2 candles and you have like 6, 7 candles here. Okay. So which is stronger, this one, and it also matches with the 4 hour and matches with the 1 hour. In the 1 hour, yeah, we have the zone a little higher. On the 4 hour, let's clean this everything. See, on the 4 hour, if you look where candles are closed, it's not really a breakout. If you put it above the wicks, it seems like it's a break and retest. But we've said before, we put our lines or our support where candles are closed. I think it's not on the way the 4 hour if you want to take buys, because if you want to go on the 1 hour, you have the same level, right? So the 4 hour closed above, 1 hour breaking up. I think you get everything you want here. It's a perfect buy setup if it closes above. Okay.
You said you were right that time. Like it hit my break even, but I like took 50-60% out at 11 pips. So
Okay, perfect. So the thing is, I don't trust sells on GBP right now. I think we're still bullish. It just might be a fake move here to the downside.
yeah.
I'm still looking how far GJ is gonna go. Or I'm looking at GU actually. GU looks very, very good. We've already get to a lot of projections. We managed to close above. It's gonna be good. No, I don't think so. I don't think this is gonna be a problem, because you can't really put a line here say we have resistance. Where did this come from? This come from this support. So this is the zone that price reacted to, then closed around here somewhere. It doesn't mean that we have a resistance here. If you go on the 1 hour, there's no zone here. The zone is around here. When there's no clarity on the 4 hour, you go to the 1 hour, right? And you find the zone. This is the 1 hour resistance. You have plenty of projections to confirm you that. So all you need is a good close above, a retest, and continuation.
I have 2 questions.
Go ahead, B2.
Well, the first one is JPY. I have a zone at 80.600 right there. Yeah, is it doing a retest? Is it valid? Not valid?
It is doing a retest actually, and it has 4 pips breakout. Actually, it's a break and retest, and it looks pretty good. I just I don't know. We have some rejections here, and here, and here, and here. And somehow I would like maybe a better close back in the range, just to be sure, and then wait for the retest. Let me check the 4 hour how it looks like. It's the 4 hour. You see on the 4 hour, all these candles are closed just a little above.
I see.
See, only the retest when it happened on 4 hour rejected a bit lower. But see how the 4 hour candles, they're all closed above this level. And this current 4 hour closed somehow above. I still think we might continue up, but it's just that we don't have a very, very good confirmation.
Yeah, stronger close would be nice.
Yeah, stronger close would mean around above 700.
Yeah, and the other question is on AUDUSD. We were talking about it for breaking to the downside, but how would you take this trade to the upside? Like where
Look,
would you?
to the upside, you can clearly see an example that happened before. See, we were consolidating, right?
Yes.
Lots of consolidation. What happened? You have a breakout, you have a retest. It got rejected, not enough. Price closed back in the range. Some consolidation, rejected again all the way to the downside, rejected from support. Now pretty bullish right now, strong momentum. If we manage to close above 0.72900, I think you're gonna have the same move that happened before, a breakout, a retest, but now there's a better chance of continuation. First target, second target. That's what I think for buys here. But other than that, right now we're still in this consolidation box. We still don't know if we're gonna close or not. If we're gonna break or not. So it's not done yet. Yes.
I think you were talking about CAD yen.
Yeah.
Can you repeat it because I was on the phone?
Sure. I was
looking to take it, but I think we had a 1 hour level on top of it.
Yeah, this one. The thing is, this is also the 4 hour where all the 4 hour candles closed. If you can switch to 4 hours,
close below,
yeah, it somehow closed below. And if you switch on the 1 hour, you have rejections at this level also, and you have also rejection just a little below, so or somehow in between candles, because we can both count as a zone. See, rejections, plenty of rejection on both levels. This is the 4 hour, this is the 1 hour, so we need both to break, then we can think about buys.
Okay.
But if I see the 4 hour like that, I wouldn't be comfortable.
Thanks.
EJ, yeah, EJ can be good if he breaks that zone. Maybe we'll finally fill that range to the upside. I think you don't need this level here. Delete that. I think this is the only level we want to break. We want to see a break on. This one, like I said before in the beginning on EJ, a break above this and a retest would send us to the next zone here, a daily wick fill, and we would fill this range pretty good if we do get a breakout. If not, we'll see. Maybe next gonna come and consolidate more. We've had a pretty good consolidation the last few days, 3 or 4 days, I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, this is the third day of consolidation. Maybe, probably, finally we're gonna have a break. See on the daily where the daily candles are closed, right? That's where our 1 hour zone is also. So if we manage to go above and close above on the 1 hour, we have a breakout, and this range would be easy to fill after that. So you could look, yeah, the 4 hour is pretty much the same. The 4 hour has closed pretty nice, pretty bullish. We might break above, who knows. It's just a matter of time now. But I think my favorite setup would be GU here. Even though on the C trader I'm not going to take any other trades right now, because I've made it clear 1% per day, it's going to be enough. We did another 1%. So if you want to take another trade, it just has to be a small risk of your profit. So if you made 1%, risk maybe 0.20. But I mean, it's up to you how much you want to make, how much your goal is daily. But it needs to be pretty good setup.
Yeah, said I think I'm gonna stay out today. The first day, 0.8% almost. So what would you recommend me? Like
how much you made?
0.8, because I didn't risk full 1%. I closed it at 1.1 to 1 risk reward.
Okay, so no rush, no rush. You have 5% to make, right?
Yeah, I need to make 5%.
Yeah, 5% in 2 months.
Yes,
You're set, man. You even if you make 0.20 every day, you're still gonna pass it by far. So I think there's no rush. You have to wait for a good setup. If it comes a good setup, risk 0.5%, then you make, if that's a win, you make another 0.5, you go above 1%. It's good for a day because see, in 5 days, if you make 1%, you're going to be done, but you have 2 months. So
yeah.
even
I
if
think
you
I'm
risk 0.50% every trade, you're still going to have another month for.
Yeah, that's ages, man.
Yes. Daniel, how are you, man?
Yeah, not too bad. How are you?
Great.
Good, good.
How's it going?
Yeah, not too bad. Not working today, so I can actually come on the mic for once.
Oh, perfect. You work from home, right?
Yeah, I'm a cold caller.
Yeah. Like you enter trade, somebody calls you and gets all your attention.
Yeah,
It's
it is
not
quite
good.
frustrating, to be honest. But I've
Yeah.
still got you in my headset, like just quietly, so I can still hear what's going on.
Yeah. Great. Great. I mean, working from home is not bad, right? It's not that
It's
bad.
all right. It's all right. The work's a bit boring, but it just means I can trade, so can't really complain about that.
Great. As long as you can do both, it's still good. Maybe it takes some time to get used to it, to do two things at a time. But at least you get the chance. Some
Yeah, I've been
people
doing it for
don't
quite a
get.
while now.
Okay, yeah, because some people don't even have a chance to do the same two things. You know, someone works at this time and they're not allowed to use the phone, so for them it's a little bit harder. But it's great that you have the chance.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
You can make a side income from forex, and little by little, maybe someday you're gonna leave that other job at all and focus on this only.
It's the plan.
Yeah, little by little. It takes time. It's a process. No, we're not in bias on GU. We're gonna wait for a break. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna have to go now. Thank you all for coming here. We had a good session. Now I'm gonna have to go. Thank you all for being here.
Take care. See ya.
And
Awesome, mate.
see you
See you
later.
tomorrow.
We'll see. Maybe we'll have another trade today. GU. I'm expecting GU to break. If we get this too, it's gonna be a good. It's gonna be a good chance here. So we'll keep you updated on the chat. No worries. We'll talk there. Everyone have a nice day. See you. And today is not Friday, right? So we have another day. Great. To make another 1% or 2.
See you, bro.
Okay, have a nice day, guys.
Take care.
Have a nice day. If you enjoyed this session, my YouTube friends, leave a like or a subscribe, or how does the YouTubers say? Leave a like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this session and have a nice day. Thank you all for being here.